Now to a story we had earlier. As we said, one student is dead and another student injured after a garbage truck overturned on students at the Carthy Primary School. Now our reporter Andrea Chisholm is on location and now joins us live. Andrea?
Thank you very much. Well, we are still here at the Carthy Primary School on Deanery Road with scores of onlookers behind me trying to come to grips with what has happened here. We can tell you that one of the victims has been identified. He is 7-year-old Seymour Benjamin, and he was the little boy who was under the truck. One eyewitness told me that one of his hands was severed, and 2 children were also rushed to hospital in a car, and they are presumably injured. Now, earlier, the Gleaner spoke with a security guard who was on location, and let's hear what he had to say about the incident.
I hear a sound, I hear a truck revving come down. I long time truck up there so low, you know. So when the truck revving come down, when I turn around, I saw the truck about where the fire brigade is. So I said, oh, it comes so fast, and car park here, so oh, that was stop and save the car. So when I see the signpost, I chuck out of the way of the chair and start showing the children them. And I see the little car, and then when I see the little boy, he turned on the side, and we just run off.
That was the security guard at Carthy Primary recounting what had happened earlier with the garbage truck. Now, a number of persons were here on the scene earlier. Some of them have been reluctant to speak on camera to tell us exactly what was happening. But Ricardo Makin from the Gleaner, you were one of the first persons to arrive on the scene. Paint a picture for me as to what was happening.
All right, basically what happened at approximately 5 p.m. Heading back to the office from an assignment, I was called by the Star editor, Darren Luton, to tell me that this incident had happened. And so I proceeded, I was in Almontown at the time, so I proceeded to turn.
So when you get on the scene, tell me what happened then.
Well, while on the scene, what I saw was a lot of confusion, because there was a lot of persons on the scene, so the police officers were trying to clear the scene at the time. Then I saw an ambulance and also a number of other police service vehicles and also some vehicles from Linda's haulage service. From what I understood was that the garbage truck was parked unmanned on the compound, and the security guard doesn't know what happened. He just saw the vehicle coming towards him because he was sitting under a tree, and it apparently ran into a taxi that no one was in, and then hit a little girl and then turned over on the little boy. Now, after that, it was just basically chaos in terms of the police officers trying to clear the air and so on to get control of the scene.
You were here when the fire truck came on location as well?
Yes, I was.
Right, and they went into action. Were they the ones getting the gentleman, the little boy, from the truck?
Well, at the time, no. What happened was that everybody was basically standing around because apparently they had to remove the vehicle. So apparently that was the impediment at the time.
Thank you very much, Ricardo Makin from the Gleaner. He's a photographer at the Gleaner. So the scene here at Carthy is one of sadness and despair. Earlier we heard cries of, oh God, oh Jesus, why does this have to happen to a little child? And persons all around are just expressing concern, and they are empathizing with the families of the victims as well as the school community, administrators and students here at Carthy. And no doubt we'll continue to monitor what is happening here. It's back to you in studio.
All right, thank you. Our reporter Andrea Chisholm there on location. Just to recap, a 7-year-old boy is confirmed dead and at least 2 other students injured by the garbage truck are in hospital.